day viewers and subscribers. So today it's a very special video. It's an unboxing video as the title suggests. It's the Canon G7X Mark II and I bought it on Amazon. It was a bundle. It's one of those popular cameras all these YouTubers using to do vlogging, taking pictures, selfie, and all this stuff. So I was like, why not get one too? Because it's pretty nice and I don't have a camera, so that's the reason for that as well, to get one for myself so I can make great content for you guys. So I bought it on Amazon and it's a little over $400, so it was a bundle. I can't wait to get in this box. So it came in this box. So right now we're gonna see what's inside. We both gonna see what's inside. So come on, I can't wait to open it. I'm eager to get in. So dog. Then it comes with, alright. So this is a handle, I think. This is where you screw the camera. This is probably to wipe the lens. This is like a lens cleaner. So this is the tripod. It's like a Gorilla Grip thing. This is when I'm doing vlogging and stuff like that. It's pretty sturdy. Feels good. I have here the USB connecting to the computer as well, I think. Yeah. So we will check on this pretty soon. Also, let me check it out. Like a lens cleaner too, like a protection, like a starter kit, wipe the lens. There's some swap. So what I have here is like a mini tripod. It's like you can set it down. This thing here, I guess, to clean the lens as well. Oh, I got one rechargeable battery. I hope it's good. Like right here. I have, so you can use this to put the memory card here and plug this in the computer. This is going to be very useful for me. Also, I got the 64 gigabyte, which is going to be very useful. So next thing I have, I guess, I'm not sure what is this. Anybody know what is this? Just let me know. I'm not sure what is this. And I got this. I guess this to charge as well. So last but not least, the PowerShot G7X Mark II. Yeah, so this is the camera. I gotta put it from this side. This is the instruction. Nobody reads this. Yes, so this is what I like about it. It got the flip screen like this. I really do like it, like how compact it is, and it's pretty cool. Right now I'm going to turn it on and see what exactly it's all about. Wow, did you hear that? So beautiful. So I'm gonna split the screen now and we're gonna see exactly the difference with this phone that I'm using now, which is the iPhone 8, and this is gonna be the camera. So now we're gonna see the quality and how it performs. This is how the new camera is. This is the G7X Mark II, and that right there is just my phone. So I haven't changed anything yet, so this is a natural way as how it's showing right now. And that right there, that's my phone, which is the iPhone 8. So I think you can tell the difference. And this is like a very autofocus thing. It's really, so I will try my best not to look on the camera up there, but the camera lens itself. So I'm gonna fool around with this camera and I'm gonna see what exactly it can do and work it for its full potential, and I will give y'all the best quality and the best entertainment ever. So like, comment, share and subscribe.